We are going to continue with the play Andha Yug by Dharamveer Bharti. Kritavarma says, "Don't be afraid, it's me, Kritavarma." "So you are still alive, Sanjaya. Did the Pandava soldiers let you go?" Sanjaya says, "Yes, I am still alive. The earth for miles round is strewn with the corpses of Kaurava soldiers slaughtered by Arjuna. The Kaurava army is scattered, all its heroes are dead, only I am alive." When Satyaki raised his sword to strike me down, oh, how I wish I had been killed. Vyasa told him, "Sanjaya cannot die, he is immortal." So students, we have a hint about Sanjaya's immortality, that he has been given the boon of immortality, and that is why he cannot die. But he, in a way, he repents the fact because he does not want to be immortal. "What will I tell them? There is no dearth of words, but what shall I tell them? Oh, why am I still alive? After this shameful defeat, oh, why am I still alive after this shameful defeat? How shall I tell them? Even today, there is no dearth of words. I used to carry the news of the war to them, describe each event as it happened, but today, the experience of our final defeat has changed the very nature of truth, and today, how shall I use the same words to carry the burden of this defeat?" So students, we see the utter sense of dismay that is there in the words of Sanjaya when he says that the Kauravas have lost the war, but he does not have the courage to deliver this news to Dhritarashtra and Gandhari, because it is a very painful news for them. And he also says that why he is alive after all this humiliation and this defeat in the war, and there's so much sense of pain and gloom and despair in his voice. And he also feels sad that he has been given the boon of immortality because he does not want to live forever. So in this way, we can see that in all the characters of the play, there is this sense of complete despair and hopelessness that is there, that can easily be understood by their speech, by their words, even by their silences. So students, that is all for today's class. We'll study further tomorrow. Thanks.